tried to convince you they were poems.
You were right. You were right. Hey guys, welcome back. I am excited for this video because we're gonna be working outdoors. And if you're new to my channel, we live in Florida and it's currently December, and this is kind of the beginning of our growing season and a really, really pretty time of the year. So we need to tackle the outdoor landscaping, like flower beds and stuff. I want to take out quite a few shrubs that are just You've really got something to say. We have some shrubs that are not very good looking and some are dead. We need to pull those out, and I also went to Home Depot this morning with Oakland and got a couple of different things that I want to use to like fill in those gaps. And then also we need to do some mulching and things like that, just generally clean up around here. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know that a lot of you are in the middle of winter pretty much, so it's going to be a little odd time of the year for you guys, but I hope it gives you a little bit of maybe some warmth and sunshine if you can't experience it yourself. So I'm going to get started. I need to do some cleaning up and put her down for a nap here in a little bit. What's the matter? You want to get out? You want to go for a ride? No. You want to go for a ride? Okay. Okay, so this is the back of our house. You can see we have lots of pine needles on, like in the flower beds they collect. We are kind of past our rainy season now, so that's why I am ready to kind of clean it all up. And we also spend a lot more time outdoors in the winter hosting people. Family is around and stuff, so you can see it just looks really bad. These two were here before we moved. We've been here almost 2 years now. Last year we had kind of tackled the flower beds somewhat, so I need to take these out. They just don't do anything and they look hideous, so taking those out and moving a couple things around. Maybe this one has gotten really big, and then around the front I want to take that one out. We had tried to transplant that one and just never took, and it's been dead. And then this one is just a problem. It's fountain grass and it's very messy. It gets very, very big. I had trimmed it here a little while ago. So I'm just gonna take it out and put something a lot nicer and cleaner there. And then this is some of the stuff I got at Home Depot this morning. These, they're like the giant impatiens. What are they called? New Guinea impatiens. I have this one. I have another one like this back in the back. It's a philodendron. Here's my juniper. And there is another hibiscus bush. I got one of these and then some grass, so I'm gonna see how far this gets me. Hopefully it'll pretty much fill in what I need to fill in. I don't care if it's a little bit more empty, I just need to clean it up.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
got my little owlet here. I can keep my eye on her. I love that I'm able to do that. These things are so gorgeous right now. I kind of wish I could just like put them inside, but I don't think they'd really work in a bouquet.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were
I used to have this palm in a pot in my lanai, but it just wasn't really doing very well. And so last summer, or like this summer, I just put it out here in the corner to see if I could kind of fill up that area. But I didn't really like how it looked. So I just decided I would take it out and kind of clean it up and then put another plant there.
It's alright. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
So I had this philodendron inside for a while and it seemed to not do very well. And then I put it out on the lanai and I do see some growth again. I'm needing like another plant out here anyway, so I think I'm just gonna plant it outside. That way hopefully it'll kind of like kick back and thrive, and I can always try another one inside if I want to. And these tend to grow really big, so I think I'm gonna put it out here in the corner and it'll kind of be somewhat balanced out because I have another philodendron over there. It's a little smaller, different kind, but and then I think I'll put the hibiscus where those other two shrubs are, and then it'll kind of be, you know, staggered nicely. So that's the plan. So in case you guys are feeling sorry for me that I'm doing it by myself at this point, don't. I find this kind of therapeutic, I guess. I used to do this a ton in Ohio, like outdoor stuff, and here we don't really have a lot because our yard is taken care of because we live here in the community, and technically landscaping isn't necessarily our job either, but I like doing it. We like making it look nice. Yeah, I find this fun, and he'll be here to help me mulch and do whatever else I can't do then. So whenever he gets home, I'll be almost ready for mulch. Woohoo! I can actually get him out. Okay, this one's giving me a run for my money. It's obviously more root bound. I'm pretty proud of myself. There's also a black cable going through there that I'm not sure what is. My internet is still working, so maybe it's like an old phone line or something, because I didn't really think they ran it through the flower beds. I mean, it's not like severed, it's just I like nicked it a couple places, so. Oh, that looks so much better. I don't know why I didn't do it a long time ago. I left the big one for you.
Appreciate her. For sure, appreciate it.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. I don't know why we didn't pull those shrubs out a long time ago.
I tried to convince you they were pull-ems. Pull-ems out.
Pull-ems out. You were right. You were right.
Slaving away.
Yep. No, I told them this is therapeutic for me. I mean, I'm getting tired now, but might let you do the mulching.
We were both doing therapy then.
Might let you do the mulching.
Alright.
I kind of started edging and kept going. Okay, we quit last night, or I quit last night. We're getting ready to pick it back up this morning now. So Nick's getting ready to pull out the biggest shrub here that's been dead for a long time. Got that one out, and we're getting ready to put the juniper in. In case you're wondering, it was pretty chilly this morning. You might not notice it by looking at Nick, but I was kind of cold. But he generally runs a lot hotter than I do, so he thought it was just perfect, and I was thinking it's a little chilly for me. But true Florida fashion, it always warms up, usually by afternoon. But yeah, we've been having a lot cooler temps, and it was so fun to work outside while it was, you know, a lot cooler. The other times it had been pretty hot, and so this was a welcome reprieve, and we're just excited with the cool weather. Nick went and got some mulch, and we're getting ready to put that down. We were debating about doing something different in the back by the lanai. So we always have problems when it rains, but I don't really know how to start and stop putting in stone, that it looks right.
We're just going to put in some dark stone.
Dark?
About this wide.
Oh!
Black stone.
Yeah! You didn't tell me that. Oh, awesome. So here's where the rain always pummels into the lanai. Nick found some rocks at, I'm assuming, Home Depot, because the landscaping place where we got the mulch, it was extremely expensive. And this is still somewhat, it's like $10 a bag, I think. But I think we're gonna see how far it goes, and I think that should do the trick as far as keeping it from spraying into the lanai as much, at least hopefully. So it might not look the best, but cost effectiveness, you know, you have to consider that. We obviously won't get a ton of rain during the winter, but see how it goes, I guess. Okay, I feel like it looks like $1 million right now. I'm so glad it's done. I'm so happy we moved all the shrubs back there, put in some new ones, and it was a little bit of an investment to put those stones in and everything, but I think in the long term we'll be a lot happier. So I'll give you guys a final tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it inspiring, even if some of you guys are not landscaping right now. So, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We would love that. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. That is it, you guys. I hope you all have a very blessed Christmas and holiday season. May you be blessed in the coming year, and I'm excited to continue to bring more content to you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.